guys, hi traders, welcome to this video. In this video I will be teaching you how to spot inducement liquidity in your chart. So I want you to avoid being trapped by inducement liquidity. So in this video I will be showing you how you can be able to trace and know every inducement liquidity in your forex market. So let's get into the video right now. So let me show you from here. You can see from this diagram now. Pay attention to this diagram. Pay attention to this diagram. This diagram now. Pay attention to it. So look at this diagram. We have 2 points of interest. PO1, PO2. We have 2 points of interest. So what happened to this point of interest is that whenever the market comes from here, the market is coming here. Once it gets here, this market will behave as if it's going to go up here, but here is an inducement. The market is going to induce. This is an inducement. This place now is a liquidity. This place is a liquidity. Let me write it here. This place is a liquidity in the market. This liquidity, this is an inducement liquidity. This is a liquidity. Why? Because this market now has to take off this. See how the market will definitely do. We always come here, do something of this nature, make this kind move, maybe like this, do like this, then come here, touch here, and then go your way. Most times it even go very far. So why is it that most times now people enter a trade and the trade just kind of then go like this, then come down and go like this? Because this was a liquidity. This was not just an ordinary point of interest. This was a liquidity. The market was waiting for you to just put up your stop loss there, and then the market take advantage of you. Whenever you see a trade like this, maybe it's like this, and you see the market doing something of this nature, let me draw it very well so that you can get the understanding very well. Let me say maybe something is like this, and the market goes like this, like this, like this. Maybe this one do like this. There's a break of structure here. There's a break of structure. There's a break of structure here. There's a break of structure here. There's also a break of structure here. This is the valid point of interest. Here is the valid point of interest. Here's the valid point of interest. But people now will always be waiting here to get this trade, because most times now they are impatient. Most people now are not patient enough to wait to this place. So when they enter the trade here, that means now they think that here is going to give them what they want. Maybe when the market reach here, they enter that trade, and the market will just kind of linger and come here and take them out. So avoid anything like this. Avoid this. Anytime you are not seeing anything like anything like liquidity in the market, know that you are a liquidity in the market. Don't trick yourself to go for that trade. Don't trick yourself. Let me show you from the charts. See this chart now. This is a clear example of inducement liquidity. See what this market did here. This market, it came like this. It started like this. So it went like this. Then remember there's another block here. It came to the other block. When it came to the other block, all it needed to do, it just have to do as if it's going to go up, give you that kind of movement, then retrace back to the origin. And those that put their stop loss here, there were people that entered this trade here. There were people that entered this trade here. Where is the short? Yeah. sorry. There are people that enter the trade here. There were people that entered this trade here. Their stop loss was here. And they targeted maybe this high. And you see how the market just took them out. So the market just took them out because they were not patient enough to wait till when the market gets to this place for them to enter this trade. Maybe they have fear of missing out, and they have to enter this trade here. This is what happens when you are trying to enter the trade too early. Let me show you some another one also. Let me show you. You see this one also. You see this one. You see how this one played out. From here now, this is another block. But when the market came, it came like this. You see? It just did like this. Played as if it's going to play out, do like this. Then came to the actual other block. And then boom, it went off. It went off. And that is it. See the movement. The movement. So clear. Why? Because anytime the markets take off those those liquidity, it becomes so fast in order for it to move. Your liquidity is what helps the market to move fast. So if you become the liquidity, other post market will go faster. Let me show you another one. Okay, so see this now. See this now. Although you might not pay attention, you might not understand it that way, but here is a clear example of inducement liquidity. You see how the market was able to do it here. Some people now, once they see that this place now, they will kind of enter this trade. Now you see how the trade happen, just did like this. Then later it enter here, then took off. So this is a clear inducement liquidity. So for you to also know the inducement liquidity, all you need to do, if you want to know whether the market whether it's an inducement, you come to Fibonacci, you see your Fibonacci retracement, you take it, then spread it, you see, to this highest point. You see now, the market was within this range. The market was within the 38.20 range. So this was not meant to be. You are not meant to enter for these trades. You were not meant to enter for these trades. If you're able to use this your tool, you are not meant to enter these trades. But most of us now, we are not going to look at it very well. We are not going to pay attention to it. Let me show you see the settings in my Fibonacci. You can snap it. So this is just as simple as anything. All you need to do, always avoid entering too early. Avoid entering so early. Don't become the inducement of the market. Avoid entering into the market so early. If you can be able to avoid this, you can be able to maximize the profit that you can make from. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.